Welcome to Alice Wong's ePortfolio. This video is intended to prepare you to successfully navigate through the site and to fully benefit from all the features of the ePortfolio. We will introduce and explain about navigational tools, artifact pages, and provide other special notes to support your exploration. Immediately, you will notice that the home page consists of introductory material to fully prepare viewers to benefit from the ePortfolio. This ePortfolio was developed with the intention of reflecting accumulated knowledge and insight during the Masters of Educational Technology program. The development of this type of reflective product adds to my growing collection of positive digital footprints. Most of the external resources of interest are linked. Here you're able to learn more about me by accessing an online CV hosted on Wix. Other resources and references are in the reference section here. Next, personal and professional goals for the Masters of Educational Technology program are outlined. These goals supported me as a contributor in the academic and practical realms of educational technology. Evidently, these goals were achieved and/or extended through the course and their corresponding learning activities. It is important to note that the purpose of this ePortfolio is to curate, centralize, and annotate learning. It's also used to demonstrate a myriad of skill sets and knowledge. To effectively illustrate the context, there are certain premises. For example, there's an overarching metaphor and a pedagogical premise. The metaphor hiking was fully integrated into my reflection. Each artifact represents concepts related to the ways in which hikers embark on a trail. This translates to tools for exploration, features of the trail, and the aftermath of hiking on the trail. While some artifacts help orientate me in my journey, other learning activities represent different terrains available on the trail. On each artifact webpage, a full description of the relationship between the artifact and the metaphor is provided. You will also notice that the journey is categorized into 3 main phases. Each part is further expanded into different sections. We'll look at a specific example later. Also, a continual-like assessment rubric was created in order to inform readers about the development of the ePortfolio. Separate from the technical aspects of the site, the metacognitive description has an overarching theme of constructivism. Notice each artifact encouraged negotiations of thought paradigms. The components of each artifact requires a modification of metacognitive equilibrium. The artifacts are chosen based on its ability to inflict and/or alter my thought paradigm. At a small scale, some artifacts help refine my thought paradigm. For example, eTech 500 magnifying glass, found in person here. It demonstrates a small scale of thought refinement. Some other artifacts inflict drastic metacognitive accommodations. Read the page called Divergent here, found here, to see an example of a drastic thought change. In regards to the navigational tools, there are 2 main ways to transition between web pages. First, there are instructions and a button at the bottom of each page. Although each section can be viewed irrespective of its order, this ePortfolio is organized in a linear way. The top toolbar here provides categorized access to the pages. Readers can quickly reference previous pages and preview content in the next sections. When you hover your mouse near the navigational toolbar on the top, it will toggle viewing options and links to the other pages. This ePortfolio also includes a summative reflection. Moreover, the reference section allows you to access any resources found in the ePortfolio. Let's look at an example. For ease of navigation, there are patterns embedded within the ePortfolio. Notice that each page starts with a description of and access to the artifact. Then, a paragraph talks about how this artifact connects to the hiking metaphor. The next paragraph outlines changes in thought paradigms or possible negotiations between old and new perspectives. Notice here there is an in-depth reflection on how it affects me as a user. Two features, such as highlighted text and icons, shows the key implications of this artifact. Through the construction of this ePortfolio, it is evident that as I am actively contributing to the field of educational technology, I roleplay both as a classroom educator and as an academic scholar. You'll notice recurrent metacognitive reflective themes such as empowerment, refinement, and a renewed sense of appreciation. After learning about this website, you're ready to navigate the site. Explore on, curious souls.